Welcome to all. Now we are going to discuss split muff coupling. Okay, the muff or sleeve is made into two half and are bolted together. Right, the half of the muffs are made of cast iron. Right, the shaft ends are made to a but each other and a single key fitted directly into the keyways of both the shafts. Right, one half of the muff is fixed from below and the other half is placed from above. Right, both the halves are held together by means of mild steel struts or bolts and nuts. Right, the number of bolts may be 2 or 4 or 6. Right, the nuts are recessed into the bodies of the muff casting. The coupling may be used for heavy duty and moderate speed. Right, the advantages of this coupling is that the portion of the shafts need not be changed for assembling or disassembling of the coupling. Okay, the usual proportion of the muff for the clamp or compression coupling are the diameter of the muff or sleeve capital D equal to 2D plus 13 millimeter. Right, the length of the muff or sleeve capital L equal to 3.5 D, where small d equal to diameter of the shaft. In the clamp or compression coupling, the power is transmitted from one shaft to other by means of key and the friction between the muff and shaft. Okay, in designing this type of coupling, the following procedure may be adopted. This is split muff coupling. Right, the muff, key, shaft, stud, right? Everything is shown in this figure. At first, we are going to design of muff and key. Right, the muff and key are designed in the similar ways as discussed in the muff coupling. Right, design of clamping bolts. Let T equal to torque transmitted by the shaft. Small d equal to diameter of the shaft. dB equal to root or effective diameter of bolt. Small n equal to number of bolt. Sigma T equal to permissible tensile stress for bolt material. Mu equal to coefficient of friction between the muff and shaft. Right, and L equal to length of muff. We know that the force exerted by each bolt equal to pi by 4 dB square into sigma t. Right, then the force exerted by the force on each side of the shaft means pi by 4 into dB square into sigma t into n by 2. Let P be the pressure on the shaft and the muff surface due to the force. Then for uniform pressure distribution over the surface, P equal to force by projected area. That means pi by 4 dB square sigma T into n by 2 divided by projected area 1 by 2 L into D. Okay, the frictional force between each shaft and muff means F equal to mu into pressure into area. Right, here that is equal to mu into pressure P and area we know 1 by 2 pi d into L. Right, after simplifying this term we can get mu into pi square divided by 8 into dB square sigma t into n, and the torque that can be transmitted by the coupling T equal to F into d by 2 means mu into pi square divided by 8 into dB square sigma t into n into d by 2 equal to pi square by 16 mu into dB square sigma t and into n into d. From this relation, the root diameter of the bolt dB may be evaluated. Okay, this is a reference book. Thank you.